any collector would want that bag in their collection, I guess. So it's gone. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about my top 5 luxury regrets. And yes, I do regret not buying these items very, very much. Like, the part of my heart is missing. Okay, the bag coming in at number 1 is the Louis Vuitton Petite Malle in a very special limited edition kind of version. And the moment I saw that bag in store, I fell in love with it. However, it's a couple years back, and like spending 3,000 something pound on a Petite Malle Louis Vuitton bag was a bit much at the time, and I just keep regretting not having bought that item. And you know, since that moment, since I saw that bag in store, I always thought, like, if I would have ever bought a Petite Malle, that would have been it, and only that one. Since then, I have never seen a Petite Malle that gave me more butterflies than this one. I absolutely love it. I love the look of it. You know, maybe I'm gonna be able to find this bag on the pre-loved market at some point. I think I've never seen it on the pre-loved market yet. But yeah, I mean, hey, you never know, right? So fingers crossed. If any one of you ever sees that bag popping up anywhere, just let me know, please. Okay, coming in at number 2 of my biggest luxury regrets is this beautiful large Lady Dior in like python skin. And I'm a sucker for like purple, pink, black, and having all of these colors, you know, mixed in one bag. That was just like my perfect Lady Dior. And I saw that one on Yogi's Closet, which is like a really great pre-loved website as well. It's not as big as Fashion File, but you know, I absolutely love Yogi's Closet. However, I think I was stalking that bag for like a year, and when I finally wanted to purchase it, I noticed that I couldn't even do that because you cannot ship exotic skins from America to Europe. I guess that the bag didn't come with sides, and you know, so basically I was saying, okay, next time we're gonna go to New York, I'm just gonna, you know, have it shipped to the hotel that we're staying at, and then I'm gonna take it home myself, because I can get sides from my SA. I have a Royal Python bag as well, you know, you can just go to your SA and ask for sides again. However, then of course we all got hit by the pandemic, and yeah, that never happened, and now the bag is sold. So I've also not seen that bag, you know, ever again on any other platform, but again, fingers crossed, maybe it will pop up again at some point. Okay guys, so coming in at number 3 is the Chanel 31 bag from the Full Winter 2018 collection, and I love that collection so much. Like everything, the ready to wear, the shoes, the bags, the earrings, I absolutely love that collection so much. It's probably my favorite collection ever from Karl Lagerfeld, yeah. So I really wanted to get that bag. However, at the time I think I just prioritized other bags, and I really do regret it because I've never found, I think, a Chanel 31 bag that has stolen my heart more than that one. They still do pop up on the pre-loved market, however most of the time, you know, it's rather in the fabric material, and I really want that shiny leather. But yeah, we see. I have my eye on one on the pre-loved market. I'm not 100% sure that I want to go with that one because it has like some creasing at the front already. Because I feel like if I wait for the bag, then I'd rather like wait a little bit longer to get like a perfect one. However, of course, you never really know when and if those bags pop up again. Okay guys, coming in at number 4 is the beautiful Chanel classic flat bag from the Tokyo collection, Tokyo 2008 collection. I found this bag on one of my recent shopping vlog trips, and isn't it stunning? I mean, I absolutely love that. It's like a rose gold shiny crinkled leather with like rose gold hardware. It is stunning in person, and like you would have to see it in person to get the full, you know, the full effect. But so I was, you know, thinking back and forth, and I had the discussion with many of you in the comment section actually, you know, should I get the bag, should I not get the bag, because like, you know, the Bottega Veneta chain pouch is the next one on my handbag wish list, but this one is so special, what should I do? And so I unfortunately was too late. Yeah, the bag is sold now, and it's only been like not even 2 weeks I think since I since I spotted it. But I mean, you know, it had Karl Lager's signature on the inside, so of course somebody else, you know, any collector would want that bag in their collection, I guess. So it's gone. But yeah, I mean, what can you do, right? It will probably have found another bag owner who will really appreciate it. So yeah, and then last one coming in at number 5 is the Mini Lady Dior. Well, the vintage Mini Lady Dior in like the, I don't even know what it is. Is it fabric? Is it velvet? I think it was like a velvety material. With like all the little crystals on the charms, and that bag popped up on Fashion Fire once for only like, I think, $800. And I literally spotted it. I think I remember it was like 1 at night or something. I was still on my phone, like, you know, stalking Fashion File, and I spotted it and I was like, yeah, okay, I don't like to, you know, do impulse purchases. Let me sleep on it and then I come back to it tomorrow morning. Yeah, well, the bag was sold the next day. So, and since then I've been looking for another Mini Lady Dior, vintage Mini Lady Dior in like black velvet or black fabric with like those crystals, and yeah, I'm just always too late. I'm always too late. I'm thinking for too long. I mean, sometimes that probably saves us a lot of money, because I think if we would just do a lot of impulse purchases, you know, you would always have a lot of bags that you get rid of again. But these were my top 5 luxury regrets that I really, really miss not having in my handbag collection. Yeah, but well, if any of you ever sees one of these 5 bags popping up anywhere, please think of me and immediately write me. Yeah. Okay guys, I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. And yeah guys, I hope you have a wonderful day and I see you again soon. Bye!